Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to hard reset a Pokemon Go Plus device. To perform a hard reset on a Pokemon Go Plus device, you have to follow some steps. First of all, if your Pokemon Go Plus is connected to your phone, disconnect it via the Pokemon Go app. And then you have to locate the reset button on the Pokemon Go Plus device. It is usually a small button on the back or inside the battery compartment. Press and hold the reset button for about 5 to 10 seconds. You may need a paper clip or a small tool to press the button effectively. After holding the reset button, release it. Open the Pokemon Go app on your phone, go to the setting and then select Pokemon Go Plus device to pair it again. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete the pairing process. Once it's paired, you have to test the Pokemon Go Plus to ensure it functioning correctly and responding to the in-game action. Hopefully by this video you will know how to hard reset a Pokemon Go Plus device. Thanks for watching.